1 million empty chairs around the family dinner table.
The White House now says COVID-19 has killed 1 million Americans. The president calling for further action to stop the pandemic. Glad you're with us. I'm Matt Austin.
And I'm Ginger Gadsden. The Florida Department of Health reports 74,000 of those patients lost their lives here in Florida. Now, this is all coming as cases continue to trend upwards in the Sunshine State. There were nearly 33,000 cases reported in our last weekly update. That's about 4 times the number of cases we were seeing mid-March. And in Orange County, the positivity rate has jumped to 15.9%. That is up from 2.3% in mid-March. Now tonight, News 6's Catherine Silver is sitting down with the new director of health services in Orange County to talk about what is being done to keep people safe.
We may be done with COVID. I don't think that COVID is done with us.
The new director of health services in Orange County says people need to prepare now for a new wave of COVID-19 cases.
This week has been sharp.
Dr. Raul Pino worked for the state as the Orange County medical director during the height of the pandemic. In his role as head of health services, he is now watching a rise in cases at the county level.
There is a prediction that we are going to have a wave in the fall and winter. So people should be getting ready.
Signs of a spike are already showing up in the wastewater.
What we're seeing right now resembles the lead up to other spikes.
The city manager in Altamont Springs says it's a pattern he's seen 3 times before.
Before a spike, what we see are some spikes in the percentages of change.
Test positivity is also rising, even as more people test at home. It's nearing 16% in Orange County, according to the latest data from the CDC.
I think that's sort of the key, is that it's not as bad of a disease right now. It is treatable.
Dr. Todd Husty says it's difficult to compare what's considered an alarm bell now compared to past months in the pandemic.
Where we are now is so different than we were even 6 months ago.
He credits better treatments and vaccines for the change. As Orange County closely watches the current trend,
we perhaps need to increase our communications with the public to offer that clarity through the noises.
Dr. Pino says he hopes people will listen to his message.
We are eliminating mandates. We are not requiring masks, but we have to inform the individual to take individual responsibility.
Dr. Pino believes part of the reason we're seeing a spike now is that people who need to get a second shot or their booster shots have waning immunity. In Orange County, I'm Catherine Silver, getting results, News 6.